What's going on, guys? First of all, I wanted to apologize for the audio quality in the last video. A setting got changed on my GoPro. I didn't realize it. Rookie mistake. Now,
What's up, you guys? Welcome to day 2. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to prep for paint, meaning I'm going to tape everything up with plastic, and hopefully we'll actually get some paint on these tonight. That's the plan, so let's get started. Alright guys, so I think what I'm going to start out with is the red, and that would be this part and these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape off this black part, and I'm actually just going to completely paint this red because I'm going to go back and paint this part black later. But I mean, there's no point in taping it off because I'm going to tape it off later and paint it black. So then black will cover the red. So that's the plan. Let's get it done. Alright guys, so as you can see now, I have this all taped up. This part's going to be red, this part's going to be black. I have the black taped up right now, so I don't have to worry about it. Now technically I could probably just paint it red and then come back later and paint it black and it probably would cover. But this is a really big part of it, and I don't want to necessarily mess that up. These ones here, like I said, I bought different kind of paint for in here, and we'll probably use it for in here too because this is pretty intricate as well. So we're going to go ahead and take this out to the garage. I'm going to set up some plastic, and no turning back. We're going to lay down some color. Alright guys, see you in a minute. Alright guys, moment of truth here. Either it goes well or I mess it up. Either way, we're going to learn together. Okay guys, so as you can see here, that's coat number 1. Like I said, a light coat. I'm not trying to, you know, what's it called? I'm not trying to saturate it and go get run. So that's coat number 1. I'm going to let it sit for like 15-20 minutes. And we'll see what happens. We'll add another coat. Alright guys, it's been some time since I did the first coat. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the second coat. I'll show you what that looks like. Alright guys, I've done 3 coats here. Let's see what it looks like, shall we? Let's see that. That's 3 coats. So I'm going to go ahead and let this dry. And that'll be all for tonight.
so today, guys, I'm going to show you what the red looks like on the parts. I got that done yesterday. Let it dry overnight, so I'm going to show you what that is, okay? Imogen, can you do me a favor? Can you tell me What color these are? What color is it?
It's red.
Red. How does it look, Imogene?
It's red.
Does it look good?
Yeah.
Okay. So as you can see, guys, the red is on here. Turned out really good. I didn't want to go with like super red, so because my car is all black, so I went with more of a ruby red, and I think it really came out good. So the next step is to take off this plastic reverse mask and get ready for black paint. Anyway, guys, I'll show you what that looks like when that's done. Hey guys, just want to welcome you all to day 3. So what we're going to do today is we're actually going to apply the black paint, and I just want to show you what we have going on so far. Again, my camera will not be in the room while I'm painting because I don't want to get any paint on it. But just remember, don't paint like directly. Give yourself some room when you're painting. I would say even 10 inches away, 12 inches away, so that way you don't get any runs, guys. But yeah, today we're gonna paint black. Now let me show you what I got going on right now before I go. All right, guys. So as you can see here, I have reverse masked everything. So the only part that's exposed is what's gonna be in black. Now I'm gonna go ahead and paint it, and then I'll bring you guys back and see what it looks like. Just to let you know, I'm using Duplicolor black paint. It's actually engine paint, so it's rated for high heat, just in case the parts do get hot. Please remember to shake your can thoroughly. I would give it 2 to 3 minutes of pure shaking before you go ahead and paint. That way the paint mixes up properly. All right, guys, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, guys, so this is what we have so far after the first coat. As you can see, it's nice and black. As you can see that, nice and black. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add another coat. Okay, guys, so check it out. I am done with the black paint. As you can see, that's come out real nice. Pretty happy with that. So the next time you see this project, it will be on the car. Guys, I hope you liked this video. That's going to be it for part 2 of this project. So stay tuned for part 3. It will be coming soon. At that point, you will see the finished product on the Mustang. And yeah, I'm really excited. So if you liked the video,